Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atme Green School, Standard 5th, subject Maths. I think we have started the volume topic. Okay, so I think we have completed second example also, right? Or first example. So first of all, we will recall the formulas. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area of square is equal to side into side. Then volume of a cube is equal to side into side into side. That is L into L into L. Then volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Okay. So now with the help of square, with the help of cube, we have calculated the in a exercise the volume of a given figure. Then we calculated with the help of formulae, and now in this figure, first of all we split into cube or cuboid, and then addition we get the total volume of a given figure. Okay, so let's start. So this figure is also divided into three parts. Okay, so see here, its length is 3, breadth is 3, and height is 5. So how we calculated height? See here, this is 5, okay, and this is 2. This is 2. So this is 5. So 5, 3, and this 3. Sorry, this is 5, 3, and this is 3. So 5 into 3 into 3, that is 45. Then volume of a second cuboid, that means is this in the middle one. Okay, so length is 4, breadth is 3, and height is, see, up to this it is 5, and this one is 2. So 5 plus 2, 7. So 4 into 3 into 7. So 4 3s are 12. 12 into 7, 84. Get it? Next, volume of a third cuboid, this one. So here this is length, breadth, and this is the height. So it is 3 into 3 into 5. So 3 3s are 9, and 9 5s are 45. Get it? So 45 plus 45 plus 84. What we will get here? 174 cubic centimeter. Get it? Now next. Find the volume of cube which edges are. So this example we have to solve with the help of formula. Formula is volume of a cube is equal to side into side into side. So what is the side edge here? 15. So 15 into 15 into 15. You have to multiply your own. Okay, आप खुद multiply करोगे. Don't use calculator please. So that you can practice it to multiply the larger numbers. Get it? कोई कैलकुलेटर या मोबाइल यूज़ नहीं करेगा, अपने खुद आपको ये मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 225 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 15 वी गेट 3375 cubic centimeter. Okay, then next 6.5. So volume of cube is equal to side into side into side. 6.5 multiplied by 6.5 multiplied by 6.5. So it is 274.625. Okay, give the decimals properly. Next thing, volume of a cube, same here formula, 12.5 multiplied by 12.5 multiplied by 12.5, we get 1953.125 cubic meter. Okay, so here same formula we have to use in fifth and sixth example. Then in the question second, find the volume of cuboid with the following dimensions. Length is 24, breadth is 10 cm and height is 12 cm. Now here volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So what is the length? 24, breadth 10 and height 12. So 24 multiplied by 10 we get 240 multiplied by 12. What is get? 2880 cubic centimeter. Get it? Same formula for second. Length into breadth into height, that is 3.6 multiplied by 2.4 multiplied by 2. We get here 3.6 multiplied by 4.8, that is 17.28 cubic centimeter. Now same formula use and give the decimal properly. Okay, now we will start the story sum on the volume topic. A swimming tank is 20-meter long, 50-meter broad and 2-meter depth. What is the volume of a tank? So volume is always in a cuboid shape, right? So volume of tank is equal to volume of cuboid, that is length into breadth into height. So it is 20 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 2. So it is 300 multiplied by 2, that is 600 cubic. Then a box is 18.2 centimeter long, 12.5 centimeter broad, 2 centimeter thick. What is the volume of the room? Again, room is in cuboid shape, so same formula you have to use, length into breadth into height. So 18.2 multiplied by 10.2 multiplied by 2. Then we get 18.2 multiplied by 21.0. So multiply and get the answer. I always ask you to multiply yourself so that you can practice to give the decimal, practice to multiply larger numbers. Get it? Next. A dictionary measures 25 cm in length, 80 cm in breadth and 7 cm in thickness. What is the volume of a dictionary? So dictionary, you better know what is the shape of dictionary. Cuboid. So length into breadth into height, that is 25 multiplied by 18 multiplied by 7. So it is 450 multiplied by 7. We get 3150 cubic centimeter. Okay. No, cubic centimeter, right. You have to check the unit properly. Okay. Just 1 minute. A block of wood in the shape of cuboid has a length 2.5, the breadth 1.5, height 2 cm. How many cubical blocks each of 50 cm can be cut from it? So this is a little bit lengthier one example. Here we have to find first the volume of big wood. Okay. Then this wood is cut into small cubical blocks which has edge 50 centimeter. That means its length, breadth and height all is 50 centimeter. Then we have to calculate the smaller cubic blocks volume, and we have to divide volume of block of wood divided by volume of cube, small cube. Then we get the number of cubes formed. So volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So what is the length? 2.5 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 2. We get 0.75 meter cubic. Okay. Now small cube's volume. So its edge is 50 centimeter. So what we have to remember here, that these are in the meters, right? And this edge of smaller cube is in centimeter. So first of all you have to convert this centimeter into meter. So 50 upon 100, what we will get here? 0.5 meter. Okay. So volume, now you can calculate the volume of cube. So volume of cube is equal to side into side into side, that is 0.5 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by 0.5, that is 0.125. Okay. Now number of cubical box is equal to volume of cuboid. So what is the volume of cuboid? 0.75 divided by 0.125. So what we will get here? 6. Understand everyone? We have to remove the decimal. We have already studied how to divide the numbers which has both has the decimals. Okay. So from that method we have to remove this decimal. That means we have to multiply it by 1000. Then we get 175 divided by 125. The number will be 6. That means the number of cubical blocks will be 6. Get it? Okay. Next. Find the volume of earth dug from the cubical pit whose edge is 2.4 meter. Now earth dug means a smaller, we can say